Nestled within the picturesque valleys of Bosnia and Herzegovina, Sarajevo, the capital city, stands as a vibrant testament to the country's rich history, cultural diversity, and indomitable spirit. In this short video, we will take you on a journey through the charming streets of Sarajevo, where East meets West and history meets modernity. Sarajevo is a city of captivating contrasts, where the influences of different civilizations harmoniously coexist. The city's unique blend of Ottoman, Austro-Hungarian, and Yugoslavian legacies is reflected in its architecture, cuisine, and way of life. Stroll through the bustling Baskarcija, the old bazaar, and you'll find yourself transported to a different era. Here, narrow alleys wind past centuries-old shops selling exquisite copperware, intricate carpets, and delectable baklava. Sarajevo bears the weight of its history with dignity and resilience. The city gained international attention during the 20th century for tragic reasons, including the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand in 1914, an event that triggered World War I. Later, during the 1990s, Sarajevo suffered the harrowing consequences of the Bosnian War. The scars of these events are still visible, but they serve as a testament to the city's strength and determination to heal. One of Sarajevo's most remarkable features is its cultural diversity. The city is home to various ethnic and religious groups, including Bosniaks, Croats, and Serbs, as well as Muslims, Christians, and Jews. This mosaic of identities is celebrated through the city's numerous religious sites, including mosques, churches, and synagogues, often standing side by side, fostering an environment of coexistence and tolerance. Sarajevo's journey from conflict to peace is a testament to the resilience of its people. Today, the city is rebuilding, thriving, and welcoming visitors from around the world with open arms. Sarajevo strives to embrace a future that honors its past while fostering unity and progress. Sarajevo, the capital of Bosnia and Herzegovina, is a city where history, culture, and hope converge. Its captivating blend of old-world charm and contemporary vitality offers a unique experience for travelers seeking to explore a city with a story to tell. Come and discover the heart of Bosnia and Herzegovina in Sarajevo, where the echoes of history and the promise of a brighter future resonate in every corner.